Well, hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox the rechargeable battery for GoPro's Hero 7, 6, and 5. I guess the normal one Hero as well. Yeah, I bought two of those and they're kind of packaged together. Just because it was so cheap for me to get it. And so we're gonna just unbox it. Oh wow, it's kind of tough. Stick together. Let's see. Can we? Okay, like that. That works. So we have two. What? Another one? How are they packaging those? Just push it out. That makes sense. So I'm just gonna unbox one. This one's just gonna sit here. Yeah, you can never have enough GoPro batteries, to be honest. So that's the package. Lithium ion, I don't know how to pronounce that, battery. We're just gonna open it. I think we have to open it here on the bottom. I don't really mind about whether or not the box is still completely good, so I'm just gonna rip it open. And here we go. And we can take it out. And that's the battery. I don't think there is anything in here either. Okay, that wasn't maybe not the best, but there's nothing in here. So basically that's all there is about the battery. That's it. I hope it focuses properly. Now it does. That's the battery. And I just have another one. Well, that was it for the unboxing today of these GoPro rechargeable batteries. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and maybe subscribe if you like it. And hope you have an amazing day. See you another time. Bye bye.